students, hope you are doing well. Yes, I see. I'm so happy because we have a new and so interesting lesson today, and I look forward to explaining this lesson to you. But before that, I want to go over our last lesson because, in my opinion, I believe that repeating our knowledge will help you to understand and learn our new lesson. Okay, for that, I want to ask some questions to you. Firstly, what's the past simple? Ali? Yes, true, exactly. The past simple is used to describe an action that occurred in the past. And also, there are two types of the verbs which are used in the past. Can you tell me what they are called? Marianne?
Regular and irregular.
Yes, exactly. Regular and irregular verbs. And also, I want you to tell some examples about regular and also irregular verbs. Regular verbs, please. Start. Yes, started. Play, played. And regular verbs. Cut, cut. Dig, dug. Bring, brought. Buy, bought. Yes, true. You are perfect, my students. You are so perfect. And also, I want the rule of these verbs. How can you form the regular verbs and also the irregular verbs? The regular verbs? Yes, the regular verbs are formed by adding ed to the end of infinitive verbs. Example, play. We add ed to the end of infinitive play and we make the verb the past tense, played. The irregular verbs, not like regular verbs, that's not true. Because that the regular verbs and the irregular verbs are different. The irregular verbs change on their own. We don't need adding ed to the end of infinitive. Cut it. That's not true. Cut. Buy, bought. We change on their own. Not we add buy it, not we add something to the end of infinitive. We change it and there is a list of it. And if you learn the list of it, you can be so aware of these verbs, okay? And our last step of repeating our last lesson. And please look at the board carefully. There are 10 verbs on this board and I will you tell which is regular and which is irregular. Marianne, go.
Regular.
Not regular. Go, irregular. Go, went. Okay, you see that? We change on their own. We don't eat ed. Go, it isn't true. For that, go is regular. Walk.
Regular.
Yes, exactly. Walk it. Say.
Irregular.
Yes, irregular. True. Say it. Decide.
Regular.
Yes, true. Decided. Begin.
Irregular.
Begin. Began. Begun. Call.
Regular.
Called. Sing.
Irregular.
Sing. Sold. Stop.
Regular.
Stopped. Tell.
Irregular.
Told. Delayed.
Regular.
Delayed. Yes, exactly. We and our repetition are so perfect, and now I will explain our new lesson. Our new lesson is making sentence, and how sentence? Interrogative and also negative sentence. And we need some specific rules for creating these sentences. And one of these specific rules is the auxiliary verbs. And the auxiliary verb did. This auxiliary verb is the past tense form of the auxiliary verb to do. Okay? We must use this auxiliary verb when we create the sentences in the interrogative and also negative forms. Okay? And now I will explain this rule to you. Some important structure. Okay. Firstly, the interrogative sentences in the past simple. Interrogative sentences the structure is that start the sentences with did, then subject, then the base form of the verb, and then if you want the rest of the sentence. Okay, did is important detail in that kinds of sentence. This is important, and also the base form of the verbs, not the past form of the tense. Because if we have one verb in the past tense, we don't need to use another verb in the past tense. Did you play football? That's not true, because we have did, and did is used in the past simple, and also played is used in the past simple. That's not true. We have two verbs, and that's not true. And for that, we must delete, we must cancel ed from it. We must use play. Do you understand? Okay, that's good. And also, I will explain negative forms of the verbs in the past simple. Negative. The structure is that subject did not, we add not, because that is negative. Or we can use contraction didn't. That's the short form of did not. And then also in this form, the base form of the verb. And then the rest of the sentence. I played football yesterday. The negative form of this affirmative sentence is I didn't play football yesterday. And in this sentence, we see that didn't is in the past form. And for that, we don't use play in the past form. That's true, okay? I didn't play football yesterday. Do you understand our new lesson? That's good. I am so joyful, happy for you to learn our last lesson so good, so well, and understand our new lesson perfectly. And our homework is to learn these forms and write also 5 sentences in the negative, in the interrogative, and also in the affirmative forms of the sentence, okay? Goodbye.